Hey guys, what's happening? How to send crypto from Kraken to another wallet. So first of all, log in using your credentials. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just go ahead and hit the portfolio at the bottom. Okay, and under the portfolio or in the portfolio, you're gonna see your cryptos. Select the crypto that you want to transfer or send, excuse me. Let's say for example Bitcoin. Right, if you want to send it like locally or internally, like in Kraken, what you're gonna do, just go ahead and click the three dots next to the withdraw, right? And then you're gonna see a pop-up window with two options. Go ahead and hit the last option, option send, right? And then select the amount of Bitcoin, or in USD you can switch it up. Let's say $1, right? $5. Then hit continue and send internally using CrackTag or email, right? And you can send it locally on Kraken. But if you want to send crypto from your Kraken to another wallet, like to another platform, what you're gonna do, select the crypto again, right? And then what you're gonna do, go ahead and hit withdraw, right? And select the network, obviously. I'm gonna select, for example, Bitcoin, and then add the new address, right? Then hit the Bitcoin again and enter the withdrawal address, and of course enter the amount of Bitcoin or USD. You can switch it up in your own time. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. We'll catch you in the next time.